What's up guys, Intelitech Studios here, and today we're going to be doing a comparison between Android and Windows Phone in the budget space. If you buy one of these cheap budget phones, which one will be more durable? Representing Windows Phone, we have the Nokia Lumia, whichever version this is, I don't know. And we have the UMX. Again, I don't know, I've never even heard of this phone before, or of this brand UMX. But apparently it's a brand. This is track phone, obviously, so... But neither of these work. They both have dead displays. This one, as you can tell, okay, it did just turn on, but now it's not turning on. There we go. You can see the display's dead on it, even though the device is still in great shape. Somehow the display's dead. And for the Lumia, it just doesn't want to turn on at all. So they're both in, well, I mean, this one's scratched up, but the screen's in pretty much perfect condition. So we're going to do a drop test of both of these onto this really rough concrete. I would do it on the asphalt, but it's wet outside and I don't feel like doing that, and I don't care. Okay, so let's do, we're going to do the usual drop test that I always do. So on the side, or on the bottom, on the top, on the back, on the front, from waist, chest, and head height. So let's start off with the Nokia. So Nokia Lumia from waist height, on the back, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was loud. And I thought the screen just powered on for a sec, but it didn't. So, nothing to report there. Still fine. Now we'll do it on the bottom. In 3, 2, 1. Oh. Back cover popped off. Got a little bit of water on it. Wipe that off and it'll be fine. And we got some minor scuffing on the bottom, but that's okay. Now on the top, waist height, 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Got a small scuff on that top corner. Okay. Now, from chest height, on the rear, in 3, 2, 1. Some more scratches, camera's not cracked. Then from on the side, or on the bottom, 3, 2, 1. Oh! Ow, I did not mean for that to happen. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm ashamed. Usually I drop these properly, but that did not go well. So what was supposed to be the bottom impact shattered the screen on the Nokia. Wow. Well, that's not good. I expected this thing to last longer than that, but this is rough concrete and it kills pretty much any screen. Anyways, so then from chest height, we're still going to keep going. Chest height on the top, 3, 2, 1. Ouch. Oh, and now we shattered that top corner pretty badly. So this thing's not doing very well. And then face down from chest height in 3, 2, 1. Oh. And yeah, not doing very well. So since chest height killed this one, we're actually going to move on to the UMX, and then we'll do head height afterwards if necessary. So moving on to the UMX. Try to turn this on. I don't know if it'll stay on, even though I charged it all the way. Anyways, oh, yep, it died. Yep. So, waist height on the back. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, did a nice little spin for us. Camera lens is not cracked. Some scuffing on the back panel, no big deal. Now we'll drop on the bottom from waist height. In 3, 2, 1. Ooh, that was a perfect hit. And we got small scuff on the bezel right there. You can just see it right where the screen enters, but not quite. See, it kind of dented the bezel a little bit, but did not crack anything. Still in good shape. Screen is still broken. Now on the top from waist height, 3. Actually, I wasn't holding this correctly. That's probably why I killed the Windows Phone. In 3, 2, 1. See, that's how you're supposed to hold it. Oh! Ouch. Oh man, I thought that had survived for a sec. Nope. So the Windows Phone broke on the bottom drop. The UMX broke on the top drop. But this was the top drop from waist height. I didn't even get to chest height yet. So the Nokia is technically, seems to be a little bit stronger. But it's all probably just because it landed closer on the front versus the back. Ouch, that's not good. Anyways, so now we'll do face down from waist height. 3, 2, 1. And let's see how that did. Oh, ouch. Dang, that's not good. Oh my gosh. We've got chunks missing from the top. Okay, and the Windows Phone did go to chest height, so we'll do chest height now. So, from chest height on the rear, 3, 2, 1. I saw a piece fly out. Camera did not shatter. Oh my. This is getting bad. So we got something, a little piece of leaf on there. Okay, now on the bottom, from chest height, in 3, 2, 1. Oh. Oh my. Wow. That is bad. Just took chunks out of that screen. Okay, and now the top drop from chest height in 3, 2, 1. Oh, man, more chunks are flying out of this display. And then finally, so this is where we stopped with the Windows Phone. Face down from chest height in 3, 2, 1. Ow. Oh, device reset. Or, is clearly rebooting. So, that's the state of affairs right now. Chest height, waist height and chest height. This is what they both look like. So which one is the winner? Definitely the Nokia. The Nokia, even though it's cracked, it's still held together. It took longer for it to shatter. And it's just, you know, it seems like it's taken the hits a little bit better than the UMX. So with that in mind, let's go ahead and do head height. And we'll start off with the Nokia. And for head height, we'll do on the back. In 3, 2, 1. Oh. Camera is still not cracked. On the bottom, 3, 2, 1. Ow. And we shattered that bottom corner. I understand this is the literal worst possible surface to do this drop test on, so maybe this was a little bit unfair for these cheap devices. But yeah. And now on the top, from head height, 3, 2, 1. And that didn't break the screen anymore. And now finally, face down from head height. In 3, 2, 1. Ouch. So that's the final state of the Nokia. Now the UMX. Backdrop. Camera did not crack. Side drop, or bottom drop. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Did a nice little flip for us. Back cover's popping out. Push that back in. On the top, 3, 2, 1. Oh. And finally, face down. Head height, 3. Oh. You can see that right there. 3, 2, 1. Okay. So that's the final results of all the trials. So which one won? The Windows Phone. Definitely the Windows Phone. If you guys disagree, sound off in the comments below. But that was the drop test. So obviously Windows Phones aren't around anymore, but I guess get a Windows Phone if you want a durable, cheap phone. Peace.